Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. AVG Antivirus mobile app. In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the AVG Antivirus mobile app. So, right here, the first thing you need to do to get it, go to your Play Store, and once you're here at your Play Store, click on the Search App and Games. After clicking on Search App and Games, type in AVG Antivirus. There you go, Antivirus. Then here, as you can see right here, just click on install. For now, as you can see, mine is already installed, so we're gonna click on open. There you go. As you can see, now it's open. Click on get started, and after that, just wait. Dun, 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 dun. So as you can see on the top, it is now loading. Wait for it. There you go. After it's done loading, you can either choose to allow notification from AVG Antivirus or not allow it. So for now, we're gonna click on not allow. Then let's go click on enable. After clicking on enable, click on allow notifications. As you can see, it is required to allow your notification. So it's my bad if I didn't know. There you go. There you go. Now here. Now we are here, as you can see right now. So enable for us to use it, like use it with this right here. There you go. Ever for us to use it right there, we need to purchase it's either ultimate or premium. So but you can run it on free mode, as you can see for mine. There you go. Just you can click on start to scan your phone for any viruses or malfunction, but for now let's skip it. And here we go. As you can see, you are protected with AVG, so we have to watch an ad for us to continue this. So let's continue to watch. There you go. Oh, there, as you can see, there's no ad yet, but here I'm going to give you an overview of it in your phone. So a quick overview over it. We have the home section, explore, message, and we have the count for changing some stuff, like your profile settings and those. As you can see in message, if ever we have a message here, all our message will be stored at this location icon right here at messages. And explore, here are the things that you can do, but not all of them, because some of them are paid to use. But for now, you can choose use the free ones. For example, like the scan, now you can scan it for free. Okay, so then go. See, first allow that, then go. It's now scanning our device. So now guys, now it's scanning for my phone. As you can see, it's now 18% scanning for malware and errors on my device, or maybe if I have virus. But now we'll stop the scan. At least you know how to scan. There you go. Okay, click on continue. So here we are, just watch an ad. So there you can check your you can check your phone if there's malwares or any errors on your phone. As you can see right here, you can see on the right side corner, bottom right, automatic scan, it has a lock in it, which means you are not allowed to use the automatic scan, because you need to be an ultimate, or you need to buy the premium account in AVG. So now we're going to click on check speed, so we can check our Wi-Fi speed for free using AVG. There you go. See, our Wi-Fi is a little bit at the standard. There you go. So we're just gonna leave, and we can also clean our junk and hack alerts, as you can see right now, but we need to add our email for it. So there you go guys. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below. And a quick tip for you guys: if you want the automatic scan or any of this, any of the features of AVG Antivirus, just buy the upgraded version. So you can see on top right, click on that. After clicking on that, now it's loading. Here are all the benefits you can get when you have the ultimate or premium. There you go, as you can see. Yeah, we're gonna click here. Get a warranty when a link, remove third party, avoid suspicious emails. Those, there we go. And here are the things that you can get in premium, but you can also not get when using premium. So you cannot get this three here: the keep your own activities private, get around content restrictions, safeguard your banking and shopping. So there. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys enjoyed, if you have any questions, type it down in the comments below. We'll be happy to answer you. And thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.